Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So again, looking at Zora. I did cover it in a detail last time, but that didn't do that well. I mean, that video did not do that well, so I thought, why not look at it again? So as of now, it's up like 51%, which is a massive rally, as you can see in the last 7 days. And this was my analysis from the last video. So in this video we'll mostly look at the tokens analysis and where it could be headed. So basically before that, let's break it down what I said in the last video. So in the last video I did say that this trend line was a bit too steep, so it should make a correction, and it did. And as you can see here, it actually ended up breaking below this trend line, which was this blue one, this sky blue one, as you can see, and it actually ended up retesting it, and after that it went down. So as I said in that video, you can also check that out as well if you're interested. This was a pretty good buy zone, and it actually did that. So it actually ended up going as low as 5.2 cent, and after that it made another, you can say, another bull flag, and it actually ended up drawing and breaking above that bull flag. So that was a massive, I would say, recovery. So we'll just delete the other ones that I made last time. So after that we will look at how high it can go at the end. Before that, I wanted to talk about some other things. Now the reason for why the Zora is most probably railing as of now would be that now the assets on Zora are tradable on Coinbase directly. So basically, creator coins and posts on Zora can now be traded on Coinbase. So this is, I would say, it's the same like a kind of virtual protocols tokens. So virtual does have different agents on its platform, and all of them are tradable. And that was the reason why the virtual ended up getting a massive price surge, and Zora, compared to the virtual, doesn't have that much market cap, as you can see here. Now this allows basically, uh, because of the Coinbase integration of the DEXs, Zora's tokens can now be traded, and that does increase the demand for the Zora token itself, because all of these pairs are basically created in Zora slash these tokens. And if we just look at the market cap of the top creators, like this ZXBT has a market cap of 16.8 million, and Factaxi 11.2, and Jacob like 7.3. So all of these are creator tokens with this massive kind of, you can say, market cap. So again, all of them are getting traded, and all of their pairs are in the Zora. So that is basically, I think, fueling the Zora token in general, I would say. Now of course they have been doing a lot of developments, and they did went live as well, as you can see. There, I would say, it was a massive live stream, like over 2 hours, and after that they have been doing fairly well. If we just look here overall, and they have been doing a lot of postings as well overall, I would say. Now their platform, I think, took off after the creator tokens, and as long as they get more creators, I think the Zora will mostly have a pretty good demand overall. But now you have to understand that in each L season there is usually a token that gets a massive, you can say, a massive attraction. And in this, I would say, in this exact meme L season, we have the Zora, because it has basically surged from like it has surged over 1500%, as you can see, which is a massive surge. Now if we talk about its price action and what and where it is headed as of now, so if we just make an analysis whenever it has made the whenever it has, you can say, made this bull flag. So when it started to surge, it made like the bull flag of over 90%. After that made a correction, as you can see, and after that correction, it actually ended up surging like over 184%. So that's 91 over 180, and after that it actually did 194. And if we look here, after that it did like over 173, and as of now it's if we just check it from here, its lowest, it's like 167. So it seems like that after whenever Zora breaks this bull flag, it usually jumps like slightly below 200%, I would say. So as of now I would be expecting a small correction, or even if that doesn't happen, we could see a big run from the Zora as well. So if we take, let's just try to see how much it has done from here. So it is up like 150% from exact if we look at the from the breakthrough. So I would be looking at least, I think we could actually see a surge as high as, like, if we just try to, okay, so let's just try to understand where the token could be headed as of now. So as of now, I think, at least from what I can see, my analysis says that Zora should retest on this trend line. At least that is what it seems like. So I would be expecting a retest of around like 9 cent or even like 10 cent on this exact trend line. And if it breaks this trend line, I think it can basically go sideways for some time and make another you can say it can make another bull flag after that, but let's see what happens. But I think it does need to touch this trend line, and after that it can continue to go up, or if it breaks below this, it will most likely go as low as like 7, I would say. This looks pretty interesting. I would say around 7 cent, or even I would be looking at this range for now. So if the Zora does make a correction, I would be interested in entry around, I would say, 7 cent or 5.8 cent. This seems to be the pretty good entry price, and it can make another bull flag after that as well. Or else I think another entry point for the Zora would be around 9.5 or 7.2 cent as well. That could be a slightly risky one, but again, that is a possibility. Now the problem with the Zora as of now would be that in in October there is a massive unlock coming up. So we have investors as well as a team, and they will get their tokens, and I think that is when the sell pressure that is when we'll most likely see Zora in a lot of stress, I would say, and we could see a massive sell pressure on the Zora as well when that happens, and I think it will happen soon. So that is something you should absolutely know if you're planning to hold the Zora token and you bought it like around 15 cent or even higher than that. But as of now, I think it does still have a room to grow, and to do that, I think it does need to touch this trend line, and after that it can continue to pump it if it wants to. But as of now, it's looking really good for the Zora if we look at the creator tokens, and if we look at overall state of the base is doing really well. Anyways, I just wanted to cover the Zora. Thanks for watching.